Hey guys, what's happening? Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for tuning in and coming back and all those things. And mostly, I just wanted to take a quick moment and say thank you and just to let you know that you guys inspire me. You really do. Just today, this is Sunday afternoon, my channel hit 15,000 subscribers, which is a nice milestone, a nice round number to hit. But mostly, for me, it gives me a sense of pride and encouragement to keep going because I'm doing a lot of things. I've kind of broadened my scope, doing a lot of Luminar and that sort of thing, but also some On1 and some Topaz, a little bit of Lightroom and some vlogs. And I'm having a lot of fun doing it, a lot of comments and feedback. And really, what I wanted to do is just say thank you for subscribing, for commenting and interacting with me here, and frankly, interacting with each other. I don't really do a whole lot of social media, but I make these videos, but I feel like we've built a bit of a community here, and people interact with each other, and I just think it's great. It's a lot of fun. It's really cool. It's really encouraging. And frankly, as I said, it's inspiring to me. You guys ask me a lot of questions. Many times I can't answer them, but I see people jumping in and answering questions for me or commenting on other people's comments and sharing feedback and tips and tricks. And I love that. I mean, that's exactly what this community, I think, is for and is all about, is like, let's help each other. Let's lift each other up and try to help each other get better at this craft that we all love. And that's why I wanted to just pause and say thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing and liking and all the things that you do. I'm going to keep doing more of what I've been doing and maybe some new things as well, and just keep kind of pushing forward. You guys encourage me and inspire me, and I'm going to keep going forward. And mostly, though, I just wanted to stop and pause for a second and say thank you. I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for interacting. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. All those kind of things. A big thank you. And, again, you inspire me. So I'm going to keep doing more of it. And I'll be seeing you real soon with more tutorials. Just wanted to pause and say thanks again. So I'll be seeing you soon, my friends. Hope you're having a great day. Take care and adios.